Today, we follow Anna as she goes through the airport. Let's listen and repeat simple English sentences.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket?
Good morning. Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Are you carrying any liquids or sharp objects?
No, I am not.
Please put your bag on the scanner.
Okay.
Please walk through the metal detector.
All right.
All clear. You can go. Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much. Great. Anna finished security check. Now she is going to board the airplane.
Hello. Welcome on board. May I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 12A. Follow me. I'll show you your seat. Here is your seat by the window. You can put your bag in the overhead bin.
Okay. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Let's go over some important airport words from today's video. Passport, a small book that shows your identity and nationality. You need it to travel. Boarding pass, a paper or phone screen that shows your seat number and gate. Metal detector, a machine you walk through to check for metal. Window seat, a seat next to the window. Overhead bin, the space above your seat where you put your bag. Seat belt, a safety belt you wear while sitting. Boarding, the action of getting on the plane. Scanner, a machine that looks inside your bag. Flight, your journey in the airplane. Flight attendant, the person who helps you on the plane. These are all basic English words you'll hear at the airport. Practice them again to feel more confident. What do you show at airport security? Where do you put your bag on the airplane? Who helps you find your seat? What should you wear when you sit down? Do you like a window seat or an aisle seat? Comment the answers below. You did amazing today. Now you can understand and speak at the airport in English. In the next video, Anna goes to the hospital. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more helpful lessons from Smart ESL Path. See you in the next one.